Hey everyone, welcome back to our CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn how to add background image using HTML CSS. If we come over into the body section, if we type over here p tag, into the p tag we can simply type over here add image, and then if we just save it and if we just refresh it, you can see we add the image text over here. Into the add image, we can simply add another p tag and we can add lorem ipsum. So how are we going to add it? It's a very simple process. Before that, we just need to add the picture that we downloaded. We're going to cut it from here to paste it into the HTML folder. And now if we come over into the style.css and if we type over here body and give the curly bracket over here, and we can use the background image. So for that, we need to find out background image attribute, and then here you can type over here URL. Into the URL section, we can simply add this picture. So for that, we're going to copy the picture name over here. So you can see we can simply copy it and going to paste it over here like this. We can simply save it over here like this. And now if we come over into our website, as you can see, the picture has been added. If we give you the full way, you can see the picture has been added over here. So as you can see, there is a repetitive picture, so we can simply fix it in a very simple way by a very simple command. It's called background dash position, and we can simply set it into the center and we can simply save it. And now if you refresh it over here like this, it will looks like this. You can see there are lots of one. So how are you going to fix it? We can simply give background dash repeat, and here we can type no repeat and we can save it. And now if we come over here and refresh it, as you can see, there is only this picture over here, but it is centered. So how are you going to maximize it with the full coverage? So how are you going to do it? So we'll need to type over here another time a new command or the new attribute called background dash size. And if we just type over here cover, if we save it, and now if we just refresh it, as you can see it's covered. We need another attribute for make it attachment. So for that we need another one called background attachment, and we can simply add it with the fixed one, save it. And now if we refresh it over here like this, as you can see, now it's completely okay. It's completely okay, as you can see. So this is how we can simply add a background image in HTML CSS in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.